Yo, what's up guys? Local One here and welcome back to Loadout. We have not played this game in a while now. Whew, I've been dying to play this, so just cue the intro so we could get right into the action.
Crazy ass Mexicans, crazy ass Mexicans, crazy ass Mexicans, crazy ass Mexicans.
Oh fuck. No! I got you, motherfucker. Haha, first kill. Oh, look at my arm. That shit looks nasty. Alright, what do we gotta do? I think this is Jackhammer. No, bitch. No, bitch. Oh, no! Bitch. And I got electrocuted. That is not cool, boo-boo. Alright, we gotta protect this one. Oh, fuck you, bitch. Okay. Let me get that. Oh, crap. I think he's coming all the way around here. I'm going for the fucking hammer. Oh. Nah, bitch. Nah, bitch. Fuck. They got me. Dude, my fellow PS4 owners, if you guys haven't got this, I've been saying this ever since I started playing this game. Ever since I started making videos for this game. If you haven't got this game yet, I don't know what the hell is taking you so long, because this game is fucking awesome. Look at this shit. And we both died. This game is hella fun. And I'll play with you guys. You just gotta add me. You know my name, The Local One. Just hit me up on here. I'll add you. Or leave your comments. Or leave your PSN gamer tags in the comments below. I'll add you. I'll send you guys a friend request. There, I can say request now. Before I couldn't even say that shit. I'm so proud of myself. Alright, so we're winning. Okay. I haven't done shit yet though. Oh crap. Damn it! And I'm on fire. Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno. Oh, revenge! No, you son of a bitch. Nah, bitch. Nah, bitch. Get your ass over there. Oh, man, he got fucking health. That little faggot. Oh. No health was gonna help you with that, though. Got you, fucker. Got you, fucker. Got you, fucker. Got you, fucker. Alright, where's the fucking hammer? Oh. Hell no, bitch. Oh, damn it. So close. Hurry up. Respawn. Dude, what the hell are you doing? Oh. No. Get away. Get away. Get away. No. Got him. Heal me. Heal. Oh, I'm dead. Never mind. Dude, where? Oh, there you are. Yeah! Yeah! Got one. Where are you at? Oh shit, they're already here. Fuck! He took the hammer. Then he fucking hammered me. No pause on that. Good. We're fucking dominating this fucking match. Let's go. There's one guy right there. Come on, bitch. Where do you think you're going? Oh! I got him. Here, have another one. Bitch. God, I love those lightning grenades. They may not be that strong, but they are effective. Oh crap. Damn it, I need more grenades. Fuck. No, no. Uh-oh. And I burnt to death. Damn, extra crispy. We just need like 2 or 3 more points, and then we win a fucking shutout. I've never done that on this game. Like, since I've been playing this, I've never won in a shutout in any one of these game modes or whatever. Damn, I got a lot of kills, I think. I've been fucking killing hella people so far. Look at that, another one. I'm on a roll. Oh, another one. Oh, I was missing them the whole fucking time. Come on, bitch. Oh man, you stole my kill. Uh-oh. Is that somebody else? Got your bitch ass. Hurry up. Reload that shit. Fuck! Victory, baby! Yeah! Hell yeah. We gotta dance to that. No dancing? Just me? There we go. Get down with your bad self. Woo! Do the cabbage patch. Do the cabbage patch. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to end this gameplay. I missed this game. I'm going to be playing this game a lot more. Well, this is the kind of game where, like, if you have nothing else to play, just play this. It's hella fun. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. Share with a friend. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the support. I appreciate it all. Until next time, Local out.